In 2025, you don't need to rip up your ceiling to experience true Dolby Atmos. This guide shows you exactly how to get overhead sound, with zero drilling, zero damage, and maximum cinematic impact. Whether you're in a rental dorm or just hate tools, this is the ultimate DIY Atmos upgrade you've been waiting for. Step 1. Understand why you need overhead channels. Dolby Atmos brings an entirely new dimension to sound. Instead of just hearing explosions or dialogue around you, you hear sounds moving above you, like helicopters, rain, or voices flying overhead. Traditionally, this meant ceiling-mounted speakers, which require drilling into joists, running in-wall wire, permanent installation. But there's a smarter, easier way. Let's dive in. Step 2. The 3 best no-drill Dolby Atmos speaker alternatives. In 2025, you've got 3 killer options to get ceiling-like Atmos effects. No tools required. Option 1. Up-firing Dolby Atmos modules. These are bookshelf-style speakers with angled drivers that reflect sound off the ceiling. Popular models: Yelacy Debut 2.0, A 4.2, Klipsch RP, 500 SA2, Sony SSCSE. Just place them on top of your front or rear speakers. No wires through the ceiling, no mounting. Bonus: they're Atmos certified and work with any AVR that supports height channels. Option 2. Wall-mounted height speakers, no drill mounts. Some companies now offer command strip or clamp-mounted speakers that attach to walls or ceilings without damage. Example: Definitive Technology A90, or using small bookshelf speakers with Vogel's Sound 3200 mounts. Angle them downward or upward, based on placement. Add adhesive cable channels for a clean, tool-free install. Option 3. Floor speaker stands with height modules. Brands like Sanus and Monolith now offer stands designed for Atmos modules. Place these behind or beside your couch with height modules pointed upward. This option gives the illusion of overhead audio without any wall interaction. Step 3. Choose the right AV receiver, AVR. To make this work, your receiver must support Dolby Atmos and assignable height channels. Look for 7.2 or 9.2 channel support, e.g. Denon AVR, X2800H, Yamaha RX, V6A, Onkyo TX, SR6100. Height speaker configuration settings, set to up-firing front or reflective. Dirac Live, Odyssey, or YPO calibration to help simulate vertical imaging accurately. Make sure your AVR knows what kind of height speakers you've added. Most let you choose the type and position in setup. Step 4. Setup, placement, and calibration, the no-compromise way. Placement tips. Up-firing speakers work best with flat ceilings, 7 to 12 feet high. Aim for direct vertical bounce. Avoid ceiling fans or sloped designs. Wall mounts should be angled towards your main seating position. Calibration tips. Use your AVR's mic-based auto-calibration, Dirac, Odyssey, YPO. After calibration, manually check if dialogue and effects feel like they're coming from above. Test with Atmos demos. Leaf, Dolby, Netflix's Atmos content, or Xbox/PS5 Atmos-supported games. Step 5. Boost Atmos without speakers, smart add-ons. Want even more immersion? Consider these non-invasive upgrades. 1. Dolby Atmos soundbars with real up-firing drivers. Soundbars like the Samsung Q990D, JBL Bar 1300X, or Sony HT A7000 Plus SA, RS5 simulate Atmos overhead using built-in up-firing drivers. Easy setup, no AVR needed. Great for rentals, dorms, or tight spaces. 2. Virtual height enhancement in AVRs. Some AVRs now offer virtual Dolby Atmos height processing, even if you don't use real height speakers. Not as good as physical modules, but a great temporary or budget option. 3. Ceiling bounce panels, optional. Use foam acoustic ceiling reflectors to enhance vertical sound projection. Helps clarify bounces in rooms with textured or absorbent ceilings. Bonus: room layouts that maximize Atmos without drilling. Place your couch about 2/3 from the screen wall for ideal overhead projection. Keep hard surfaces above the speakers, no beams, fans, or ceiling textures. Position front height modules above your main left/right speakers. Closing: you don't need to drill to go big. Atmos overhead audio is a game changer, but you don't need to hire an installer or damage your ceiling to get it. With smart planning, speaker modules, and up-firing tech, you can build a 5.1.2 or even 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos system that feels cinematic, immersive, and 100% reversible. DIY. No tools. Full Atmos. Call to action. Ready to upgrade without the mess? Want to know the best Atmos modules under $300? Need a full setup guide for rental-friendly Dolby Atmos rooms? Or want to compare up-firing modules versus wall mounts versus soundbars? Right arrow subscribe now and hit the bell. Our next videos will blow your ceiling off without ever touching it.